Okay, so Walker won Jackbox.
Me?
Give it back to McCall.
Man, I am winning.
Your luck will run out at some point.
I am the favorite daughter in law. The only one. A charger.
I think it's supposed to be a data transfer cable, but it may just be a extra.
Either way, that's nice.
So-
We always need more chargers.
Yeah.
Blanket cable.
Yeah. Thank you.
You're
Let's
welcome.
take a trip overseas, but all the boats are broken.
So how are we gonna take a trip if all the boats are broken?
Why?
Okay, so how many people do you get to pick for that?
All of us.
Oh.
It's number 10.
Okay, so we're making paper airplanes, and the furthest airplane wins. Yeah, stand behind the table.
It's a wall.
Oh, yeah, yours is gonna hit the TV.
It probably could, honestly.
Here, you gotta stand back here.
There's
Just
no low
stand,
ceiling.
hey, stand back in the kitchen and throw from there if you're concerned about hitting
I'm just playing.
It's okay, Caleb. It's okay. It's fine.
What's going on down there?
Airplane's terrible.
Alright, well, I'm gonna throw it.
Whoa.
Is it my turn?
Yeah,
You
what was
just
that?
chucked it.
the. That was good, Walker. I never thought about that doing that.
I told you.
That's pretty good.
I don't want to go after them. Okay, that makes me feel better.
Michaela's the only one that did it.
8-year word.
Michaela's went negative. No, it didn't.
Wait, I gotta throw mine.
Here.
Okay.